Hey everyone, I'm Omid from dailyhttp. Welcome back to our channel. In the previous episode, we installed n8n locally on Windows. Today, we are building our very first automation project, a Telegram bot that automatically sends a message every day at a specified time. It's a simple but powerful project, and it helps you really understand how n8n works. In the previous video, we saw that the PowerShell was not running the script due to the security issue, and we temporarily allowed it with a command. However, if we want to run local script and only scripts that are not run from the internet, we use the following command. First, open the address that n8n provided to us after installing it, and log in with the username and password that we had set. In the n8n environment, click the Create Workflow to start a new workflow. Click on My Workflow from the top left and write our desired name. Let's add our first node. Click on the plus and search for cron. Cron is basically a timer and select a schedule trigger. The default settings are daily and its repetition can be changed every day. But for now, we will only set the time to 9 a.m. and go back. Click on the back to canvas at the top left. So now we get to adding Telegram to the nodes so that it can send us message. Click on the plus and search for Telegram and click on send a text message from the list that opens. Here we need to enter the setting related to Telegram connection. In the credential section, click on create new credential. Here we need to enter the API related to our Telegram bots. Let's go to Telegram. To do that, we need a Telegram bot. Open Telegram, search for botfather. Botfather. And click on botfather that have a blue sign. In botfather, click in the start and in the manual, click on the new bot. Okay, we want a name for my bot is Telegram test for n8n. Choose a username for our bot. Username is dailyhttp. Okay, we need a bot in the end of our username, like dailyhttp _bot. Okay, our bot is created. And we have a HTTP API that show in this line. Copy this. We need in the n8n. We paste the API here and click on save. If it gives an error, it is most likely that you did not enter the API correctly like me, or your connection to the Telegram server is not established, such as during filtering. If the connection is established and the API is correct, it will give the message connection tested successfully. Click on save and close this page. Now we need to enter our chat ID. Let's go to Telegram. First, search chat ID's bot. Click on this bot and click on start in top right of this page. After a moment, you have your chat ID in this page. Copy this and you can back to n8n to continue the process. Well, now we put the chat ID here. and we write the text that is going to be sent in the text section. We can click back to Canvas to return the main page. Now we click on the execute workflow to test. If you get an error, keep in mind that you must log in to the bots you created from your Telegram and click start so that your ID is registered in the bot. Now you see that the green tick has appeared, and if we go to Telegram we will see that the message has been sent. Well, we have created our first workflow and we have learned to work with n8n to some extent. We click save and go to the main page. Here we see our created workflow, which if we activated it will send us that message every day at 9 a.m. If you like this video, like it and subscribe to our channel so that we can prepare more n8n tutorials for you.